Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoin or Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. In our times, much has gone right, he said, in our heroic defense of Kiev. Too much in fact, to think it just of men. God is with us, he shouted. Ori ori, answered the crowd. Putin can claim he is some third Rome, Musk said. But we have clearly seen, by the carnage the Russian troops have experienced, by the devastation in their highest ranks, that God is not with Putin. Where is Putin's God? Not in this earth, and not in heaven, Musk claimed. So we must now not only defend, but we must advance, to make it known forevermore that Europe stands free, and Europe shall always stand under liberty. From the Japanese islands to Georgia, the oppressed Caucasus and our Crimea, may the rule of man under the rightful God prevail over the fantasies of fallen angels, Musk said. For God has shown himself in the theater of the past 35 days here in Ukraine, and God is not with Putin, Musk said. God is with us. So let your spirits rise to the mights of heaven, a spirit of man. That's active addresses surged from 4,831 to 101,300 in less than 12 hours. This sudden uptick in the number of investors interacting with the Dogecoin blockchain indicates that these investors are interested in Doge at the current price levels. Therefore, the bullish thesis receives a tailwind from the recent surge in interested market participants willing to buy Doge. Furthermore, the whale transaction count, which tracks the number of transfers worth $100,000 or more, also saw a massive increase from 28 to 685. This metric serves as a proxy of the investment interest from high net worth investors in whales. Therefore, the 2,346% uptick indicates that whale announcement from Bitcoin of America, Dogecoin has now joined the line of cryptocurrencies that can be purchased at these machines. Previously, customers could only purchase Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, the last of which had support added last year in October. Dogecoin now joins this list, bringing the meme coin closer to millions of investors around the country. These universal kiosks are available in over 31 states in the country, serve a good portion of the US crypto population. Such a move on the part of a large player in the Bitcoin ATM space, or BTMs, is nothing short of incredible news for the meme coin, making it onto the list ahead of other big players such as Cardano, Tether, and even Shiba Inu, its fiercest competitor. Price response: prior to the announcement, the price of Dogecoin had been struggling. Although it had moved in tandem with the market during the recent recovery, it did not really record the better part of the surge until after the news from Bitcoin of America had dropped. $0.123 $0.119 range. Furthermore, the point of control, red, and the 50 EMA would continue to pose a strong recovery barrier for bulls. Going forward, the current trendline support is critical for the buyers to defend to prevent fallout. Keeping in mind the improving overall sentiment, a close above this support would lead to a POC retest before falling back into its long-term downtrend. Rationale: as the bearish RSI broke down from its midline support, it seemed to flatten at the 33 to 36 range support. Any recovery from this zone could open up chances for a test of its immediate resistance. The EMA ribbons refrained from undertaking a bullish flip over the last 4 months. The downslide led the alt to lose the crucial $0.1360 mark, one that the bulls upheld for over 10 months. The latest bearish engulfing candlesticks created a strong supply zone, very much a mystery, and may continue to show its extraordinary nature, even more now that Kiev is liberated, and all of Ukraine stands on the verge of being free. To liberty, to European democracy, glory to Ukraine and glory to the heroes, Musk ended. He then disguised himself as some street rabble, and within hours somehow he found himself in his high-tech HQ in the United States. Dogecoin, Doge, is an open-source cryptocurrency stemming from a fork of the Litecoin codebase. As the name suggests, it's largely based on the Doge meme that took the internet by storm in 2013. The original image depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. His inner monologue is displayed in Comic Sans font. Billy Marcus, a programmer from Oregon, initially came up with the idea for a sort of joke cryptocurrency. He reasoned that a more light-hearted coin would have a better chance of attracting mainstream attention than Bitcoin. Around the same time, Adobe's Jackson Palmer stated that he was investing in Dogecoin, pretty sure it's the next big thing, in a now-deleted tweet. Following some encouragement, Palmer went on to create Dogecoin.com. When Marcus stumbled across the website shortly after its launch, he reached out to Palmer to make it a reality, and began work on what's now known as Dogecoin. Upon launch, the cryptocurrency rapidly spread across social media. Within months, it hit a multi-million-dollar market capitalization. $44,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 could end with an average bid of $1.08 and a minimum bid of $1.06. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.25. And the last forecast for today, in 2028, is that the Dogecoin price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Doge can reach $1.81 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.56 for 2028, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028.